Hello everyone, welcome to our channel MS Sukani Private Tuition. So today we are going to study about Standard 9 Maths NCERT, Chapter number 1, Number System, Exercise 1.5, Question 4. Represent root 9.3 on a number line. So for representing root 9.3 on a number line, we need some geometric instrument, that is one pencil, compass, scale and protractor. So let us move to the first step. First of all, we have to draw a line segment for 9.3. Okay. So let us make one line segment, that is 9.3. So here we will make one line from 0 we will start and we will go up to 9.3. Okay. After making a line segment 9.3, we have to give the name, that is A and O over here. Okay. Now after making the line segment A and O, this is 9.3. We have to extend one more unit from O. Okay. Means we have to draw one more unit, that is 1 cm. So here I had take 3 to 4. One more unit. Okay. And I had given the name, that is B. Now after extending one more cm O to B, we have to make a perpendicular bisector from A to B. Okay. Now what do you mean by perpendicular bisector? Means we have to draw a midpoint of A and B taking with the help of compass more than radius. Perpendicular bisector means what? We have to open the compass more than radius. Means यहाँ से हमको start करना है putting on a point A and we have to open the compass more than radius. See, like this. It is known as perpendicular bisector. Now we will make the arc from A on upside and downward. Same from B also, we will make one arc like this and like this. Okay. So in this way, we will get the midpoint of line segment A and B. See, here we get the midpoint of A and B. Now open the compass again and we will give the name over here, that is C. Okay. Now from A to C, we have to open the compass. See, here I am opening from A to C. After opening from A to C, we have to make a semicircle. Okay. So here I am making the semicircle. In this way I had make a semicircle from point C. Okay. Now after making the semicircle, we have to construct a 90-degree on point O. Okay. Again I am speaking, after making the semicircle, we have to make a 90-degree from point O. Now you make 90-degree either on protractor also or with the help of compass also. So here I am taking a protractor, see, on a point O. This is a midpoint. And I am 90-degree here I had mark. Now after getting 90-degree, we have to extend line touching to semicircle. Okay. See, in this way we will make a line touching a semicircle. Okay. Now again we have to open the compass First of all, we will name it, that is D. Okay. Now, first of all, extend one more line segment from B without any measurement. Okay. Now, you have to open the compass from O to D. That is, we have made earlier a 90 degree. See, in this way, we will open from O to D. After opening from O to D, we have to, from here only, point O, you have to cut on this line segment. Okay. And name it E. So this you will get the root 9.3. So from O to E, this is our root 9.3. So in this way, we have construct represent 9.3, root 9.3 on a number line. So let us repeat the steps. First of all, we had make a line segment of 9.3. After making the line segment 9.3, we have to extend one more cm, okay, from O to B. After making O to B, we have to make a perpendicular bisector of A and B. Means we have to put the compass from point O and extend it more than radius. And from O, we will cut one arc from upside and downward. From B also, here and here. So we will get the midpoint. After getting the midpoint, open the compass A to C and make from point C, we have to make one semicircle. After making the semicircle, from point O, we have to construct 90 degree. Means putting on a point, protector on a point O, and here we will make one point. And extend the line touching to the semicircle. And one more line you have to extend over here. After that, open the compass from O to D and make one arc. So in this way, we will get the root 9.3 on a number line.